Hey, I'm Kylie of Kylie M Interiors, online paint color expert and e-design consultant. Today we're going to look at Decorators White. If you've been looking for a nice, bright, simple white paint color, you shouldn't be looking at Decorators White because Decorators White has a few considerations because it is not a legit white paint color. So every paint color has an LRV number. This tells you how light or dark it is on a scale of 0, which is black, to 100, which is white. This guy sits at 83. So for me, the bright white world, the more legit white world, starts at about 90, even 92. At 83, this is definitely a soft white. So with that softness comes some extra colorant and tint in your paint can. And that is a subtle, very gentle gray that is more likely to pick up a slightly blue-purple undertone. So if you have colors in your home that are cream, beige, even grayish, that kind of thing, it's going to be a hard sell with Decorators White. You really need the warmer whites, the softer whites for that look, or even a cleaner white. However, if you love the cooler end of things and you have blues, you have grays with blue-purple undertones, Decorators White could be an awesome fit for you. Now, the best way to pick a paint color is to do some comparison because that can really help you to see what you're dealing with undertones and depth. So let's look at a few. Sherwin-Williams Pure White. So it's LRV, I believe it's 83 or 84, so really comparable for sure, but it is slightly warmer and should show you a bit of that grayish cast. Let's also look at the warmer Benjamin Moore White Dove. I refer to Pure White and White Dove all the time in my color consulting. Decorators White, not as often. A lot of times if there's the right color marble or quartz, so that should really show you that difference between a warm soft white and a grayed out soft white. There's that shift right there. I love when I can see the shift like that. Super helpful. Let's also look at Chantilly lace. So if you picked up Decorators White and thinking it was white and you wanted a nice crisp clean white, you might actually be looking for Chantilly lace. So there's that difference there. Here's our Decorators White. Here's our Chantilly lace. This guy's up at an LRV of 92, so that's how it's whiter. And again, this guy's at 83. So you can really see that change there. So that is Benjamin Moore Decorators White. Thank you for watching. Please visit my website, www.kylieminteriors.ca. I have over 300 articles and an awesome search function. You can type in any keyword you want, and you can read paint reviews and update ideas for your home for days. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.